Have you seen the wooden Christmas trees made out of 2x4s? I thought I would try my hand at it, so I set up the table saw to cut 22.5-degree angles, and I cut 4 pieces with the same angle on both ends. These 4 pieces are 12 inches long. The base of this takes a piece 12 inches long, but the angles should go the opposite directions. The bottom piece of the tree should be 20 7/8 inches long, and those angles should also go in the opposite direction. There are 2 pieces at the top. One of them is 12 inches long and the other is 14 inches long. They both have a 45-degree angle cut on the top of those, and the 12-inch piece fits underneath the 14-inch piece, and that makes the angles work out just perfect for this pattern. The overlap that I chose to put the boards together was 1.5 inches, so that made it a little tight putting it together. I did have to have some help holding the pieces together. In hindsight, I put the top together first and then put the bottom together last onto the base of it, and that seemed to work a lot better once I figured that out. I made a mistake with the base of it and made the angles go the same direction, so I need to flip it over on the saw and make those angles go the opposite direction so it looked better. I had a couple different ways in mind to finish this off, so I like the way the burnt wood looks. So the first thing I did was go ahead and give the burn pattern to the entire piece with the torch, and then I decided to stain it with a green stain just to see what happens, see how the burnt wood would come through the stain. I have to admit, I really like the finished product. I like how the green stain and the burnt wood go together. After these are made, we can decorate them with lights or ornaments or just whatever kind of decorations we need to. Hang a wreath off of it perhaps, and then it's ready to display or give us a gift. Here's a few examples of different ways we can make these. You can do whatever colors you like, hang wreaths off of them, wrap them with lights, just whatever you think would look good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell and we'll see what else we can make. See you later. Bye.